transform your space without the mess. Start your journey by exploring stunning countertop and cabinet options with our interactive 3D design tool, or download a brochure to get inspired. When you're ready, schedule a free design consultation with one of our experts. They'll bring samples to your home, help you choose the perfect look, and walk you through the process. No pressure and no obligation. Once you've selected your materials, we custom fabricate everything at our shop to fit precisely over your existing surfaces, so you avoid the mess, noise, and stress of demolition. Then comes installation day. Our certified team arrives, installs your new surfaces with care and precision, often in just one day, and leaves your space spotless. Granite and TREND Transformations, remodeling reinvented.